भारी इंग्लिश बोलतात ते.
We just completed our check-in. Right now, going towards the boarding gates. They told us that we will stick some hot transfer sticker on bag so that it will get easily transferred very fast. And right now they are telling that it will be Etihad's responsibility that you will reach on your time. So no need to worry. So if you are flying with Etihad, don't take tension. You want to go boarding gate 125. This airport is not very good, means as compared to DME airport, you will not get good feel here, because problem here is that not right now I completed the immigration procedure here. The procedure was very smooth because the officers don't ask any question while leaving this country, but when you enter this country they ask you more questions, and sometimes if the officer is good then no need to worry. Today so many people in queue, that's why it take more time, because whole day only Aeroflot and their local airlines were working, and right now other airlines were operating. You can see still Aeroflot is here. They have Aeroflot hub here, that's why more Aeroflot flights. And I asked in check-in to the customer care that we have our connecting flight but only 25 minutes. So she told me that you can go there, transfer and tell them there is problem. They will arrange another flight for you if you miss, only in that case. Otherwise mostly the flight will go very fast and you will reach at your destination at your estimated time. And another thing is that while recording video behind the gates, the security officer asked me to delete the previous videos. So I deleted a few clips because it's about the regulation. So my other friends are coming. Till that time I will enjoy this view. After 3 hours of delay, our flight is ready for boarding. Just completed our boarding and it's after 3 hours. So right now it's very hard to reach Abu Dhabi on the estimated time. So we have to go for transfer there and ask them for another arrangement for Mumbai flight. This is our beautiful Etihad. I will show you. This is one of the safest airways. You can see Etihad. 3 hours of delay, really worth it. We provided very good screen, blanket, including here you can see sanitizer. Here whole set of eye mask for sleeping. Then one cream to apply on hand. Here they provided like earphones, but different than other companies. But if you look the leg space is little bit more, and the comfort. Etihad is known for this comfort. You can see the ambient light, very good. It took more than 3 hours for us to wait for takeoff, but still we are waiting for the takeoff. Hello,
Fasten whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. To fasten, insert the metal clip into the buckle. To adjust, pull on the strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap and pull the belt apart. If you're seated in business, your shoulder strap is located in the top corner of your seat. To fasten, connect it to the pin next to the seatbelt buckle. To release, remove it from the pin and then unfasten the seatbelt. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. If emergency oxygen is required during the flight, masks will automatically drop down from the panel above you. If a red strap appears, pull it down so you can reach your mask. Pull the mask towards you, place it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Always fit your own mask first before helping others.
Hi everyone, good morning from Abu Dhabi. We landed here half hour before and we miss our flight as expected because we didn't came here at estimated time. So for compensation, it has gave us another ticket for the flight which will take off on around 2:30 p.m. So for that time we need here meal. So it has provided us free meal in any of the hotel here. So basically they given us another boarding pass and by which we can scan here, and they have given us one coupon. If we claim that coupon, we will get free food here. So if you are traveling through Etihad and your flight got delayed, then it's opportunity for you to explore here and get free meal. Actually we are having layover only of 1 hour 10 minutes before, so we are little bit disappointed because we will not get time if we have layover of 1 hour and 10 minutes. But right now we have around 2-3 hours, so we can explore this airport as much as possible more time. And in flight also we got good meal which contains chole plus Indian Hindu veg meal. I ordered Hindu non-veg meal, but I got veg meal. It's okay, no problem. And unlimited juices as usual from Etihad. Basically this service from Etihad is very good, means their comfort and everything really good. And they have some protective covering for their windows which protects us from UV rays when we go upside the clouds. More heavy sunlight will come inside the window, but for that they have some protection film on their window which decreases the intensity of sunlight. So we will go here and we will ask on which cafe we will get better Indian food. We will enjoy there. According to me, for us the last option will be Burger King McD, and we will try another restaurants also. So stay tuned, I will inform you. Bye. We just had our meal of butter chicken, which is as a compensation from Etihad. There was multiple options which contains vegetarian and non-vegetarian meal. In vegetarian we can buy dal makhani, multiple paneer, and in non-veg we can buy anything like camel mutton, normal mutton, fish, but we bought only butter chicken. So if there is this compensation from Etihad for delay, then we are ready for every delay from Etihad. We hope that we will get delay on every flight for this meal. And this meal was really fulfilling because it contains drinks also. We bought the 7-Up Sprites and other milkshakes also, which was as a compensation from Etihad. Basically they provided us one coupon which is registered with our boarding pass, and we can claim that coupon only once.
Last call for Air Arabia Abu Dhabi, flight 3L248 to Trivandrum. Please proceed immediately to gate A6 for boarding. Thank you. النداء الأخير لإير أرابيا أبو ظبي رقم 3L248.
The local time here is 8:10 p.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within the designated smoking area of the airport. Handheld electronics may now be switched on. All checked-in baggage must be claimed and cleared through customs at Mumbai Airport if you are connecting on a domestic flight. Thank you for choosing to fly with Etihad Airways, the national airline of the UAE. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today.
Yeah. चेकिंग